Question is asking what is the angle between the lines. You compare this with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, correct? You compare this with, alright, compare with. So, this implies to me that a is equal to 2, h is equal to 3 by 2 and b is equal to minus 5, right? The acute angle between the lines formula is given by what? Tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 times square root of h square minus ab divided by what is it? A plus b, right or not? So, I can say tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 times square root of 9 by 4 plus 10 divided by 2 minus 5, right or not? So, tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 times square root of 49 divided by 4 divided by minus 3. So, tan theta is equal to 2 times 7 divided by 2 divided by what is it? Minus 3. Minus 3 when you take out of the modulus, it will be considered as plus only. So, tan theta is equal to what is it? Modulus of 7 divided by minus 3. So, I can say theta is equal to tan inverse of, because it is an acute angle, you leave the minus sign because we have put the modulus, theta is equal to tan inverse of 7 by 3 is the answer.